Hey, what's up guys? So, gonna be fixing the passenger peg on my motorcycle. It's called a footboard. So it has no padding. I don't really need the whole footboard itself, but it has no padding. So I ordered a whole new footboard because it was cheaper than buying a whole new setup. Got this online for like $35 on eBay, whereas brand new it's about $230. So save myself some money. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the padding off of this one and put it on mine. So I'm gonna just do a really fast video of that. Alright, so here we are, looking at the peg like I'm talking about, and I got the padding. So I'm just going to put this padding on here. And it's not as easy as just pushing it in, there's a little more to it. So, an Allen wrench. Take out the bottom. Ooh, that looks easier than expected. Actually just pull it through. I've been using pliers this whole time, but come to the realization that I can just grab it and pull it in. Wow, that's a lot easier. Forget the pliers. Ooh. So unfortunately the camera just died, so I had to charge it and come back, but I didn't do anything without you here, so let's see. Not that it's very hard, but for anyone who needs to see it, to believe it. Wow, I'm talking about it not being very hard, now I can't get this damn screw in. Oh my word. Doesn't want to go, huh? Okay, come on now. There we go. Holy smokes. Alright. Nice and squeaky. One nice little tighten. And there we have it. It's fixed.